Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. Today we will be making Omu Rice. Omu Rice is a dish born in Osaka in 1925. The story goes, a restaurant customer used to order the same thing daily, an omelette with rice. One day the cook decided to give it a twist and fry the rice with ketchup. Then he wrapped it in a thin fried omelette. The customer asked what the dish was, and the chef replied, "It's an omelette with rice. Omu Rice." Now it has become one of everybody's fun and favorite dishes. So let's get to it.
Peel and dice the carrot. Peel and dice the onion. Cut the sausage into rolling wedges. Warm a frying pan at medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Sauté the carrots and onion. When the carrots are soft and the onion is translucent, add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir, then taste. Add more salt and pepper to your taste. Salt will help carrot and the onion to release its water and caramelize it to intensify its natural sugars. Lower the fire to medium-low heat, add and cook the sausage on both sides. Introduce 2 servings of cooked white rice. Stir with the vegetables and sausage until well combined. Add 5 tablespoons of ketchup. Mix until homogeneous. Taste. Set aside. Now let's make the egg. In a small bowl, crack open 2 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of milk, half a teaspoon of mayo. Whisk together. In a hot non-stick frying pan, add 15 grams of butter and swirl through the pan. Once melted, lower the temperature. Add the eggs. Once the border curdles, swirl the remaining running eggs toward the center of the pan to create a flat side. Fill the bowl with the rice, turn it over into a flat plate, and drop the cooked egg on top of it. Add ketchup on top of the egg.
And here it is, Omu Rice, a dish that can be made with ingredients that you probably already have in your fridge. The egg might not be the easiest, but you can always hide it with the ketchup. And it's so satisfying when you actually get it right. I'm gonna dig on this one. Oh. This is so good. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I'll see you next week or whenever. Oh my gosh.